Oh no! What should we do now? I will ask someone for help. Don't worry, I'm here. Keep going. You've done a great job. I'm going. We are always by your side. Let's go. Wonderful. I will fix it soon. Draw. I think you need help. We have to finish the job within today. Yes, no problem. Okay, done. Very good. Wow, it looks good. Wow, that's great. Oh no! Uh-oh! What is this? My car is broken. What is going on? Don't worry, you got me. That's all right, thanks. All right, let's go. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey 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 la.
Okay. Yeah.
We have to move it out of here. Wonderful! Thanks for helping me. No problem. I have to go. See you later. everybody.
Hi, how's everyone?
Yes, I'm fine. Let's get down to work.
Thanks for helping me, guys.
Okay. Goodbye and see you again. It's so nice to see you again.